Hello guys, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to change your location on Plenty of Fish, that is a dating app. Now first of all, open your web browser. Mine is Firefox, so on my Firefox web browser I'm going to type in Plenty of Fish, or either you can type in www.pof.com. Now after searching it, as you can see here, pof.com link, and click on it and it will send you to this website, that is Plenty of Fish. Now to change your location, go to my profile, which is going to be on top of this website right here, and click on edit profile. Now after clicking on edit profile, this page will come to your website, and scroll down a little, and as you can see in the location category, you can change the location to the next country or to the next state, or you can type in the city you are living in and also change the postal code if you are living on different city or different state. And that's how you change your location in Plenty of Fish dating app. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.